Hello, I am Cooper. I am going to introduce the Green Turtle, an eco-business project for Helios of Sheraton Great Lake Resort. The Green Turtle is a multi-purpose structure that's located on the middle of the lake. It creates environmental improvement, recreational area, and commercial benefits for the hotel. The Turtle integrated the ideas of green hotel management. There are various functions in different parts of the Turtle, including sewage treatment, dining, education, walking trail, gardening, and landscapes. The Turtle is divided into two main layers. The lower layer is the wastewater treatment plant. It gathers wastewater from the hotel through the right front leg. Water then go through the treatment plant. Our treatment plant are composed by numerous biological devices. Biodome. These devices, comparing to traditional water treatment plant, is much cheaper, more space-friendly, efficient, and energy-saving. With this system, the water supply in the hotel can be self-sustained. Moreover, the excess treated water can be stored in the lake. The upper layer consists of restaurants, bars, shops, and so forth. In addition, a Chinese herb garden, organic farming field, and walking and cycling paths are distributed at the limbs. The body pile is cladded with an ETFE structure, which is lighter, stronger, and with better light and heat penetration. Apart from constructing the Turtle, I'd also like to implement various green hotel management policies. Besides usual scheme-like temperature control, campaigns such as organic farming courses and food grade production competitions will be held regularly. Schools and different organizations will be invited to visit the exploration guide as well. With all the ideas together, we will have a visionary eco-hotel plan with great sustainability and reputation. Once again showing the world that Sheraton has a vision to strike a balance between environmental conservation and business profitability and present us a world-class resort.